Hello student, this is our chapter number 3, threats to a data. In this chapter we are going to discuss about malware, viruses, then what is cybercrime, what is hacking, and how can you prevent your computer from the infection. Now we will learn about the various type of malware and viruses. Now we know that the purpose of the computer. What is the purpose of the computer? To process the data in some way in order to create some meaningful information. And the computer's goal is always to provide and protect that process. Now in computer security, what is a threat? So threat is a possible danger that might exploit vulnerability. Now what is vulnerability? Vulnerability means it is a breaking of your computer's weakness. So either it exploit your vulnerability to breach a security. Breach means break your security and cause a possible harm. So let us find about each of the categories. First one is malicious software, malicious code, malware and viruses. Second one is criminal act, and third one is cyber terrorism. Now what is malware and virus? So it describes virus, worm, Trojan horse, attacks, applet, then attack script. This is a virulent program which represents the most common threat to your information. Now this is a parasitic program which infect your computer program. It infect your legitimate. Legitimate means necessary, need or legal program. Sometimes this program is also known as host. Which is affected by the virus. Now to infect the host program, virus modify the host to store the copy of virus. It will store itself copy instead of that program, and it will infect your victim's system. Now types of viruses. Now depending on the source of information, there are various type of virus, but before that we seen that how the computer virus can be affect your system. First one, shared computer with weak password may get infected by the worm. Then removable devices, such as external hard drive, pen drive, USB stick might be affected by the virus. Computer with open shares may be infected by the worms, and computer without a latest security it may be affected by the worms. Computer with proper password policy, current security system, antivirus, that can be affected by the system. Then worms, Win32 or configure, which attacks a numeric connections to the computer across the network. So this might be affected your system. Now types of viruses. First one is bimodal bipirate virus. It can affect or infect your both file and boot sector. Then boot sector virus. It infect a boot sector of hard disk or floppy disk. Then cluster virus. It make a change to the disk file system. If any device or any program run from the infected disk, program causes the virus to run as well as, and this technique create the illusion that the virus has infected every program on the disk. Next is email viruses. Now what is email virus? So this can be transmitted via email messages, when we send any attachment with the email, or when we get any attachment with the email. So just scan your email, after that open or download any attachment with your email messages. And this type of virus is run when victims open the file and attach with the message. File infecting virus. Now what is file infecting virus? So it affects your program file, of like .exe or .com, when the launch, that virus code is also launch or execute. Next one is macrovirus. So it is designed to infect a specific type of document file such as Microsoft Word or Excel. A document contains macro, which is a small program and that execute command. This macrovirus or disguised as a virus. It is embedded in document file and can do various level of damage to your data or corrupt your system. Next one is polymorphic or self-changing virus. Virus can change itself each time when they are copying or making them difficult to isolate. Next is a Trojan virus. It is a game related virus. It appears sometimes to be like a game. So it is a very friendly virus. Now this is how the worms can be attack your system. Now Visual Basic, which is a script. from where it contains media, disk, CD, tab. In email, file is embedded, okay, document file is embedded, might be there is home, then attachment, either it can be form of script or macro, web page, attach, okay, this can contain a worm. Now what is worm? So worm is a program, okay, whose purpose is to duplicate itself. It makes its thousands of copy, okay, and occupies as much as space of the host system computer. Now it will hang your computer system and slow down your computer system, and it is designed to spread the computer, okay. So, and worms are generally spread over the internet relay chat channel. Now next is cybercrime. So what is cybercrime? Okay, it is related with stealing the computer information or damaging the information. So cybercrime refers any crime that evolves around the computer and the networks or on the internet. Now computer may have been used in commission of crime, okay, or may be targeted. So this is also known as cybercrime. And how can we define offense that are committed? Crime that are committed against an individual person or any group of person with a criminal motive. What is your motive? It is criminal motive, okay, and you do this motive with intentionally, okay, you're intentionally. Cybercrime, if you doing this without any intention or in the unknown, okay, or without a lack of information. But cybercrime is intentionally, okay, it is doing intentionally. And what is the intention? Harm the reputation of the victim or any person, okay, or causes them physical or mentally harm, either directly or indirectly, with help of communication, network, internet, email, messages, group, phone, SMS, anything, okay. So this is what a cybercrime. It may harm any nation's security and financial health. For example, just blue whale game, okay, this is what a example of cybercrime. So nowadays cybercrime is a high profile crime, okay, particularly it contains child pornography, child grooming, then cracking, copyright infringement, okay, movie piracy. They are known as cyber crime. Now there are also problem of privacy when confidential information is lost or intercepted lawfully or otherwise. Now next is hacking. Now what is hacking? First of all, what is hacker? Hacker is a person who seeks and exploit weakness in the computer system or computer's network. Now hacker's motive, it is motivated by multiple reasons. Either it do hacking for the profit, either for the protest something, either for the challenge or for the enjoyment, okay. But so whatever he or she do is known as hacking. Now this type of activities that occurs in the hacking. Hackers activity within the computer's program or subculture. Hackers to access computer network, either legal or illegal. Phone hacking, okay, the practice of intercepting telephone calls or voicemail message without consent of the phone's owner. An illegal taxi cab operation. Now here are various common hacking methods. First one is sniffing. Now what is sniffing? It is used to find a user's password. Now there are three ways, okay, in which they can sniff the password. First होता है password share, then password guess and password capture. Now password sharing, okay, इसमें इजीली क्या होता है कि जो भी विक्टिम है सिंपली अपना पासवर्ड उस हैकर को दे दिया. अब हैकर कौन होगा? इधर उसका फ्रेंड या कोई फैमिली मेम्बर, कोई भी जिससे हमने अपना पासवर्ड उसके साथ शेयर कर दिया, ओके, और वहाँ से हमारा पासवर्ड गया. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ पासवर्ड इज़ व्हाट? अ पासवर्ड शेयरिंग, जिसमें जनरली हैकर क्या होता है? हमारा नोन पर्सन, मतलब हमारा जानने वाला ही होता है, जो फ्रेंड हो सकता है, फैमिली मेम्बर हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम स्कूल में हैं और हम हमारे फ्रेंड को या किसी को भी हम हमारी पासवर्ड या आईडी दे दे या बैंक की इन्फॉर्मेशन दे दे, तो वो किसी और के साथ शेयर करे. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट? अ पासवर्ड शेयरिंग, ओके, जिसमें विक्टिम को पता नहीं होता कि उसका पासवर्ड में भी उसकी विश के अगेंस्ट, ओके, या उसने जो इंटेंशन नहीं किया उसमें वो यूज़ करेगा, मतलब कोई भी उसका पासवर्ड यूज़ करके कुछ भी कर सकता है. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज पासवर्ड गेसिंग. सो हैकर tries to guess user password and try until he or she get a right password, okay, this is what a password guessing. So always make a complex password. Okay, always use alphabet, numbers and symbol. Okay, make a length of 8. Okay, this is what a password making policy. Password capture, so it can be help with a malware program. Okay, may be captured electronically if they are sent as a text. Next is spoofing. Hackers may alternate email header to make appear a request for information that is originate from the another address. This is what a spoofing. Next is cyber terrorism. Now what is cyber terrorism? It is another form of warfare, okay, in which a terrorist attempt to harm or gain control of important computer system or important government computers website. So this is what a cyber terrorism. Okay, what is the conventional goal? उनका गोल क्या होता है कि किसी भी कंट्री को हार्म करना, उनकी जो गवर्नमेंट की वेबसाइट है. अब गवर्नमेंट की वेबसाइट में क्या होता है, हमारी जो सिक्योरिटी रिलेटेड सारे इन्फॉर्मेशन होते हैं, हमारे सारे डेटा होते हैं, सारे बड़े बड़े ऑफिसर्स के नेम होते हैं. ओके, हमारे जितने भी मिसाइल, ओके, जितने भी हमारे वेपन्स हैं उनकी सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है, हमारे कंट्री की सिक्योरिटी पॉलिसी होती है. अगर ये सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन किसी टेररिस्ट के पास चली गई तो उससे किसी भी कंट्री को बहुत बड़ा क्या हो सकता है, लॉस हो सकता है. ओके, और वॉर हो सकता है. तो दिस इज़ द फॉर्म ऑफ वॉरफेयर. ओके, नाउ साइबर टेररिज्म ये क्या है? इट वाई cyber terrorism occurs? It is for the harm or control a key computer system. Key computer system means government or important computer system. Okay, and it is can be indirect. Okay, and such as to distribute power grid or telecommunication system. How can we prevent infection? So safeguard your computer information against virus. Okay, it is not difficult if you have little knowledge of any utility software. Now how can we infect virus? So use or install any proper antivirus software. Now in market we have various type of antivirus software. First one is McAfee Virus Scan. This is antivirus program and created and maintained by the Intel. Okay, features: on-access file scanner, inbound, outbound, firewall protection. Now what is firewall? And inbound and outbound, the request or any information, okay, you send from your computer or the information which is come onto your computer. मतलब जो information जा रही है और जो information आने वाली है उन सारी information को scan करते हैं. Okay, that is what a firewall. Then spyware is help in the स्नीफिंग एंड स्पूफिंग. देन डेली डेफिनेशन अपडेट. हर रोज़ वायरस नए नए आते हैं मार्केट में, तो उस हिसाब से एंटीवायरस को भी क्या करना पड़ता है, अपडेट करना पड़ता है. देन रूट किट डिटेक्शन. ओके, जो सिस्टम की रूट किट है उसमें कोई एरर या सब कुछ नहीं है वो चेक करना. देन डिस्प्ले सेफ्टी रेटिंग, जो भी वेबसाइट हम सर्च करते हैं ओके उसे टेस्ट करना. देन स्पैम मेल चेक करो, फिशिंग, मैलवेयर, ये सारी चीज़ों को टेस्ट करना. देन कंप्यूटर पे जो भी हम एक्टिविटी कर रहे हैं उसे मॉनिटर करना. ओके, दैट इज़ व्हाट द फीचर्स ऑफ मैकेफी. द नोटर एंटीवायरस, इट इज़ डिस्ट्रीब्यूट एंड डेवलप बाय द सिमेंटेक कॉर्पोरेशन. ओके, एंड रिमूवल ड्यूरिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन पीरियड, मतलब सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ता है उसे. एंड इट यूज़ सिग्नेचर एंड हेरिस्टिक टू आइडेंटिफाई वायरस. वायरस की सिग्नेचर, उसका कोड ये यूज़ करेगा. ओके, and also its features is email spam filtering and phishing protection. It works on the Microsoft Windows and Mac OS. अब 7 में जनरली 2006 से 8 और अब आगे के वर्जन में वो क्या कर रहा है, धीरे धीरे अपडेट हो रहा है. The next one is Virex and Penicillin. This is also types of antivirus software. And Avast, it is most comprehensive and efficient and most useful and most top antivirus software. Okay, because of its good UI, then scanning features and continuously updation. Now next one is do and learn. So threats are harmful unless they exploit existing vulnerability. Backup, which is against the security of data loss. Blank is someone who use computers and network internet connection to intrude into another computer or perform illegal act. So this is hacker. Blank virus make a change to the disk file system cluster. Now true false. Macro virus, okay, which is disguised as a macro embedded in a document file. True. Polymorphic, can change itself every time when they copy. True. Trojan horse, which appears to be game. That true also. A worm is a program whose purpose is to duplicate itself. True. Sniffing refers to finding user ID. False. It refers to finding user's password. Now, what is hacking? It is the process to exploit weakness in a computer system. What do you mean by the sniffing? Refers to user's password. Now, name 3 ways in which you can protect your identity from the theft. So never share your personal information. Limit your exposure. Exposure means अपलोड करना. ओके आज के वक्त में क्या हमारी हैबिट है, जो भी हम चीज़ कुछ नया करते हैं, कुछ नया परचेस करते हैं, कुछ भी नया होता है उसे हर रोज़ हम क्या पे सोशल मीडिया पे अपलोड करते हैं. तो सोशल मीडिया से कोई भी हमारी इन्फॉर्मेशन और ये सारी चीज़ें क्या कर सकता है, आइडेंटिफाई कर सकता है, गैदर कर सकता है, फिर वो हमारी सिस्टम को ब्रेक करेगा. सो उससे क्या हमारी सिक्योरिटी ब्रेक हो जाएगी. सो ऑलवेज जो भी एक्सपोजर है उसे कहाँ थोड़ा लिमिट में रखो. देन स्टे अवे फ्रॉम द फेक लिंक. जो फेक लिंक होती है, फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे लिंक करेंगे तो इस लिंक, क्लिक ऑन दिस लिंक एंड गेन द 1000 रुपीज़ वाउचर, विन अ मोबाइल फ़ोन. तो दिस टाइप ऑफ लिंक इज़ always or usually fake link. So always make a habit to stay away from this type of fake link. List of 5 methods that identify thieves can use to obtain a personal information. So 5 is mail theft, okay, then spam mail, sniffings, then phishing, then password guessing, password sharing, okay, spoofing, whatever you can do. Next is match the following. Now what is email virus? So transmitted via email viruses. C. Then Trojan horse. This appears to be friendly or game. Then BiPirate virus, both file and boot sector. And cluster, okay, this can change a disk file system. Now fill in the blank. Blank is the most common and occurs when victims simply disclose his or her password. So this is sniffing. Password guessing, okay, hackers try to guess user ID password, okay, and its password and trying until he or she get it right. Cyber terrorism, this is form of warfare. Malware, which describe virus form and Trojan horse. Then this type of virus that infect file on the disk such as exe, the file infecting virus. Now this exercise you have to write in your textbook, okay, with only pencil. Okay, use only pencil.